of you if you have already made a notability called 6131, multiplying and dividing fractions. Thumbs up if you know what I'm talking about. If you do, go screen down. If you do not yet have that, take 30 seconds right now, open up a new note in notability and label it 6.1.3.1, multiplying and dividing fractions. Let's start a new standard.
If you need help, ask somebody around you.
Everyone else has it? All right. Who can remember what we did in math yesterday? Mary? Multiplication problem. What did that multiplication problem deal with? Do you remember? What was the word problem for it? Yep, so it was dealing with fractions. It gave you a recipe for cookies, and you had to figure out how many batches you needed and how much of each ingredient you're going to need. Today we're going to take a step back, and we're going to learn the basics of fractions. So we're going to do two Frayer squares. One is numerator and one is denominator. Nod your head if you have heard those words before. Alright, so this should be pretty easy for you guys. We want you to find your M buddy and then copy and paste both of the word problems into Frayer squares. You're going to work with your M buddy and you're going to solve them. When you are done with both numerator and denominator, you will check to see if you have done multiplication. You should have had that completed yesterday. If you did not get time to finish it, you will do that today. When you have multiplication done, you can work on your in-class IXLs before we come back as a large group to review. Does that make sense to everybody? Are there any questions before we set you loose? All right, find your M buddy and spread out.
Jump because it's June.
Everybody's. All right, why don't you find a spot? Top squat.
So spread out. I see a desk pod right here. Call their name.
Sometimes it just doesn't work. Why is my font size on 36? Oh god. Oh, well, yeah, it just automatically.
Show your work. No, if there is work to show.
Why are you doing that? Why don't you? Because there's 6 total. So should you use 6 options, including 1?
No, I just hashtag Taylor's. I did a hashtag, I know, I'm late for tomorrow.
Wait.
Hashtag 620. Paxton, do you like Oakland?
Yeah.
I know, I do too. So, let's get to work. Right. Yeah.
Okay.
You guys ready to go?
I've always been the type that's straight across. Okay, that's important. Why else? So you don't have to do repeat addition, which is great because multiplication does make it easier. What's an example of when you want to use multiplication in real life?
Like when you're paying your taxes and you have like $5 and then you have to pay it 7 times.
That's a perfect example. You can write that. So tell me why you wrote 3 days.
At the end, right? Yeah.
Awesome. So
I should see that, Miss James.
describes.
I saw that. You better not be deleting that.
That was meant to be.
She's not.
Go for it.
Let me see the stats to make sure it's right.
So then from that you can write a definition.
6.5.
So why is it? I don't know, I guess. It's hard to think with this game there.
Well, think about how you might use repeated addition in real life.
Oh, okay.
Aha!
And then the next word is denominator.
Did you finish the whole person?
Why do you think it might be important to know fractions? Have you ever used fractions in real life? Okay, do you use them outside of school? Yeah. You use it as measuring. Like if you're trying to find parking in a whole, like the word problem gave you a dinner party that wanted different flavors of cupcakes, and you measured out how many different flavors. What part of the
Like 3/4 of a cup of like flour or something that you need to know. So baking would be another one. So they were done with
Is that like a better definition?
Oh, I didn't write numerator at the top.
So that was the
and then we have to go
Oh, measure.
yeah, that one? I heard you dominated.
Mine?
Could be, yeah. You need to know fractions. What is a real life example of when you might need to know? Can you think of any? No. Let's think about this. When you measure things, is it always an even number? No. You need to use fractions to measure things. What about your building?
We do the same thing, but
I think that's okay because they both deal with fractions. All right, bring your iPads up to the carpet. Is there anyone who really wants to airplane and show us what they did? Rosemary? All right, airplane for us. We're gonna numerator first. So, I had all my friends over for dinner. Then all 8 of us decided that we wanted to have cupcakes. 4 of them wanted to have chocolate. 1 wanted red velvet, and 3 wanted birthday cake flavored. What fraction of the girls wanted birthday cake flavored? Mary, how'd you figure this out?
Well, there's 3 that wanted birthday flavored cupcake, and then there's 8 of your friends.
Yep, so 3 wanted birthday cake flavored, and there are 8 total. So the fraction of girls that wanted birthday cake is 3/8. Does that make sense to everybody? So then continuing down, what best describes the numerator of the fraction? What's the numerator of a fraction?
The top of the fraction.
The top of the fraction. So Mary got 3, because 3 of them wanted birthday cake flavored. What could be a possible distractor in this problem? The 8, why is 8 a distractor? Yeah, because if you weren't paying close attention, you could easily choose 8, thinking it's on the bottom. Could be part of the answer. So that's the distractor. But we like 3 for the numerator. So why don't you zoom on up to the definition? The top number of a fraction. I love it. Does anyone else have anything different or additional they want to add to that definition? Excellent. It shows us parts of a whole. That's why we need to know what the numerator is. It shows us part of the whole. So if you don't have that, why don't you take the time and put that in real quick? And then eyes up front when you are ready to move on.
Okay, so Mary, what do you have for symbol?
I just got a fraction and I highlighted the top number.
Okay, highlighted the top number. All right, who else? Who else has a symbol for numerator? Yeah, Kim.
It's the same symbol, but I just did 3/3 and I highlighted the top number.
Highlighted the top. Okay. Where do you have?
We did a pizza and then shaded out how many numbers.
Okay, so you did a pizza. Why did you shade out a number?
Show how many there were.
Okay, so parts of the whole. Okay, Mary, do you want to do that? Do you want to draw a little pizza? Okay. All right, so guys, another definition for numerator. It shows parts of a whole. So you want to go back and add that? I sure already had that on. I'm just kidding. All right, so guys, for symbol, we want to make sure we have both of those symbols. It's the top of the number. It's also parts of the whole. Okay, so make sure everybody get that. Then eyes up here. All right, so why is it important? What did you say, Mary?
Cooking, bells, tip, and taps.
Okay. What else? What are some other ways that's important? Yeah.
Dividing things up.
Dividing things up. Okay. Again, parts of a whole. It's a good one. One more. Let's go one more. Why would I want to know the numerator? Yeah. Deciding how much you can have of something. That's a good one. Okay. Make sure you have 2, and then we're going to move on to denominator, okay?
At Frayer squared. For the word problem, it was very similar. It said Mr. Lund and his friends came over for dinner, and the 6 of them decided they wanted to have cookies. They all wanted different flavors, though. 2 wanted chocolate chip, 1 wanted snickerdoodle, and 3 decided they wanted peanut butter. So what fraction of them wanted snickerdoodle? Mary, how'd you figure this out?
One wanted a snickerdoodle, and 6 of his friends came over.
Yep, it's the same type of problem. So you put in the numerator how many wanted the specific flavor, and in the bottom you put what? What's the denominator? The total number of people that you're talking about, right? So then what number best represents the denominator? Is it the part or the total? The total. So then what could be a distractor? Mary? 1 could be the distractor. Similar to the last problem. If 1 is in the fraction, you might mistake that and think that's the denominator. All right, so why don't we move on up to definition? The bottom part of a fraction. What else could you add to that, Mary?
Part of the whole.
Is it the part of the whole?
Okay, no.
Who can help her out? Paxton?
It's all.
It's the whole. It's the total of what we're working with. So if you want to take and add that in quick, so it's the bottom number of a fraction or the total of what you're working with. So in this case, it was 6 guys. You want a different.
Okay, so moving on to symbol. What do we have for Mary? What was your symbol?
I wrote down 2 fractions and highlighted the denominator.
Okay, highlighted the denominator. What else can we do? What do we do for numerator? What do we use for symbol? Yeah. Pie chart. Okay. Except, what is the denominator in this pie chart? We decided what the numerator was. What was it?
Pie.
The whole pizza. Yep, that's right. All right, so make sure you have both of those symbols. Okay, so why is it important? Somebody give me some examples. Raise your hand. Yeah, back to
Baking.
for baking. Okay, we did that yesterday with multiplication, right? Okay, Mary?
Percentage.
Percentage. Yep. We have to have the denominator percentage. What else? Yeah.
Tax.
Tax. Yep. Okay, one more other than Mary. She's got all the answers. One more. Okay.
Measuring.
Measuring. Awesome. Great examples. Okay, make sure you have 2. And when you have 2 eyes up here, whoever did not go over the multiplication one yesterday, stay on the carpet. If you did go over multiplication with Mr. Che and I, go back to your desk and work on your E-class I accept. Okay, we're going to go over real quick.